All right, what's up, YouTube? Got a box break going on today. Super Bowl Sunday. I'm kind of getting in my baseball mode, but seeing it's still football season, I'm going to do a little box break of some Prizm draft picks. Of course, looking for the big hits, looking for the Zeke, looking for the Dak. I am a Giants fan myself, so a Sterling Shepard would be great. Um, Little Paul Perkins, perhaps, but way to celebrate the conclusion of the football season, and definitely I have been, watching some breaks on YouTube and just been enjoying them so much, especially, Timmy G's and Packer Cards 87 definitely inspired me. And 10 p.m. Love watching them, and said, let me get into this. It's a great hobby, something I really enjoy. So I don't know. Let's do some enough out of me. Let's get to the cards. So it'd be really nice to get one of the big hits with all the rookies. Pennsylvania. Um, should be 5 autographs in this box. We got the pregame show going on. So let's take a little look here. We got some fat packs in here. Grab a few out. Get down to business. All right, and we're off. Let's look for some little bit of mojo here. Let's see what we got. There we go. All right, little James Jones, little Giovanni Bernard. Look at that. Earl Thomas. Demarius Thomas. And looks like got our first hit right out of the gate. We got a little Jordan Payton here. UCLA. Jordan Payton. Really cool. I love the design of these cards. Most of the NFL cards I get are the college uniform. That's really cool. Love getting that right out of the gate. It's fun. Let's see what we got. Got a little JJ Watt. Got a little, hey, Matty Ice. Matty Ice playing today. Matty's going to put up some touchdowns today, perhaps. Should be a high-scoring game. It's pretty cool. Cool design. It's in his Boston College uni. Kenyon Drake. Decron Williams. Kevin Hogan. Different Hogan that's playing today. Aaron Burbridge. All right. All right. Well, we started off really well. Nothing like a autograph right away. And JJ Watt in Houston. So that was kind of an order. Definitely a Super Bowl type pack. All right. Pack number 2. These are pretty thick. Pretty thick packs. Pretty thick cards. All right, Carson Palmer. Back in the day. Arian Foster. Where is Arian Foster these days? That's when he was at Tennessee. AJ Green. All right, AJ. Antonio Brown. Willie Snead. Trill Adams. And looks like we got our second hit right out of the gates. Daniel Lasco, Cal, and looks like the camo print too. Camo prints are short print. Yep, numbered to 199. 199. All right, Daniel Lasco, autograph hit number 2. 2 packs, 2 hits. I've got Devontae Booker. Carson Wentz. There we go. Pennsylvania. Might that one have an autograph on it? Pennsylvania. Jeff Driscoll. Kevin Seymour. Nate Sudfeld. All right. There we go. Pack number 3. We're supposed to get 5 autos per box. Let's see. Let's see if we can get the Dak or Zeke in this one. Put down a little bit. Alrighty. Teddy. Randall Cobb, UK. Mike Evans. Ingram. McCoy. Look at that. Eli, my man. Nice Eli. Eli Apple. Got giant. Back to back. Eli Apple. This is his rookie card. I know Tempiello love he's in his Buckeye jersey. Very cool. Going right into the PC. Really cool design on it too. Really neat. PC right away. There we go. Oh, Hunter Henry Sagadier. Connor Cook. Derrick Henry. Josh Perry. Jeremy Cash. All right.